All right, welcome back, everybody, on Hype Sneaker Reviews. This is C. Similar, but a little bit different than what I've been doing lately, anyway. And it's just a different but similar pickup. So I'm not going to stall with this. This is unboxing. Just came in the mail. I am 95% sure I know what it is. Suppose I could get surprised, but that would be fun as well. But I'm pretty sure I didn't. This came right from Reebok, and it was, I don't know, 60% off, something like that. It was a really good bargain. And it was enough of a bargain that made me buy or take a chance. I don't know. It's not taking a chance, but what I ended up getting was Reebok Club, not C, but MEMT, which is Memory Tech. Comfort footbed, orthopedic type of a thing, even though these, do not have any, they're even worse for the arch than Club C, which is hard to imagine. But again, this is the MEMT model, which is, I believe this was $65 retail, and I've seen a couple, literally only a couple out of all the releases they've done that I've actually even considered, and the one thing the reason I pulled the trigger, like I said, I got a great price on it, $65 to begin with. Well, that's cool. I haven't seen that before. That hang tag, or I guess could even be like a keychain. Anyway, these are, I think, retail at $65. But the reason I went for these was because in the description from Reebok, it said soft leather, and it's not what you'd expect it, soft leather to be. But for this model, which is kind of the generic, or the even more affordable version of the Club C. The Club C it goes vintage, TV, then it has all the different collaborations. It has the Revenge, but it's all, they have the regular model, and then it bumps up vintage and like that. Well, this isn't even in the same silhouette. It's not part of the Club C. It's a little more generic than that. And so, like I said, they retail for like $65. The only reason I went for this one specifically is because it actually did say, soft leather or something to that effect from Reebok. So I thought I'd take a chance on them for the price. See the sole, different than a Club C. You can see, right, on the midsole here with a Club C, that's one, the main distinguishing mark that I notice when I look for a Club C or Club C Revenge is, that in the midsole. And the other big thing that you can tell just right off the bat with these MEMTs is the little bit of the whoopsie there in the toe guard there, is that where it's straight. This is just a Club C Revenge, but that's just straight there. So those are the main differences as far as just visually, aesthetically. Like I said, the quality is normally a lot lesser, and that's why, it's more the generic model. But good walking shoe, I suppose. I'm not big with the USA colorway. I don't know, it can just be overdone, and I liked how subtle this was. I really liked the gum sole. I like how the midsole was white, and then it hits that gum sole. For whatever reason, this one just has a lace marker. Just hit home with me for my first MEMT Memory Tech, and see there's a little slab of leather with the branding there. So this is like the top of the line from Memory Tech. But that's still, the bottom of the line, for a Club C. That's, cool. I bet you it's recycled. Yeah, I think I remember seeing up to 30 or 50% recycled like that. But, so that's about all. I wanted to just bring you up to speed. Maybe I'll let you know how they wear after. I like that trim. It's leather there, too. I'll let you know how they hold up. I don't anticipate myself wearing them a whole lot, but like I said, I like the USA colorway. It's toned down and subtle though, with just a little bit of blue on the hints of blue there with the touches, and then the red. And other than that, it's just a pretty basic sneaker. So anyway, this is Unhyped sneaker reviews, and I'll be back with you again soon because I have some more pickups I want to share with you. Please subscribe, help me out. It takes 2 seconds. Comment, let me know what I'm doing is worthwhile. Appreciate it. See you out.